Mulkanooor Dairy is a famous dairy in Telugu states. It is located in Bhimadevarapalli near Mulkanooor, Karimnagar. It is established and developed by Cooperative Federation in 2002, 17th August. Milk procurement is done throughout Bhimadevarapalli Mandal of district Karimnagar. The total area covered by the dairy is 10 acres. The cooperative started with 6 dairy units comprising of milk chilling, cooling centers, 1 milk pouring factory, 3 feed mixing plants with a turnover of 1 crore. Generally, milk is collected from different villages which are located around 100 miles from dairy. Milk is received by road tankers from district societies. At first stage, milk tankers are weighted and the weighted samples are collected by expertized persons. These samples are collected in careful manner to check the physical appearance flavor of the milk, and these samples are sent to QO lab for testing the fat, heat stability and the acidity in the milk. After getting the satisfactory report from the lab, the milk is uploaded to the chiller. Milk chills up to 2 to 4 degrees Celsius and transferred to raw milk storage tank. From this, the milk is sent for pasteurization for heating. In pasteurization section, microorganisms are heated. Milk is forced to homogenization.
Receive the milk from tankers into processing section if the milk is perfectly pure. Unloading of milk through chilled or without chill of milk is less than 6% temperature. Final weight tent of road milk tankers. Float balance tankers store at 5 degrees centigrade temperature. Milk feed pump. Milk is sent to feed pump to gain appropriate temperature.
RMRD, raw milk receiving dock, is the initial section of the plant. All the processing operations start only after receiving milk. RMRD is the place where raw milk is received by different modes of transportation. Previously at MPF, the floor of RMRD is cleaned before and starting of the operation with water in each shift. Cleaning of tankers. After reception of milk, tankers are cleaned by manual cleaning with detergent and final resin with water. Packing means placing a commodity into a protective wrapper for easy transport and storage. Generally, for pouch packing, the film may be constructed with double or triple extraction using rigid polythene to improve sealing performance. In Mulkanooor Dairy, 57,000 liters of milk is being standardized for packing. There are 15 packing machines. The filled pouches are arranged in a crate where each consists of 60 pouches of 200 ml, 24 pouches of 500 ml and 12 pouches of liter. The tone milk, diet milk, double tone milk, standard milk and whole milk are packed in this section. Homogenization is a milk processing. It is normally preceded by standardization. The fat in the milk normally separates from water and collects at the top. Homogenization breaks the fat into smaller pieces, so it is no longer separates, allowing the sale of non-separating milk at only fat specification. Milk homogenization is accomplished by mixing massive amounts of harvested mile to create constant, then forcing the milk at high pressure through small holes. Homogenization uses extruders, hammer mills or colloid mills to mill the solids. Milk homogenization is essential tool of milk food industry to prevent creating various levels of flavor and fat concentration. Procedure for curd tone milk is used for normal curd with centuries and standardized milk is used for special curd. Draw the required quantity of told milk and skimmed milk for processing or section. Heat the milk to to 85 to 90 degrees Celsius temperature to spiral flow and hold it for 5 minutes. Cold to incubation temperature 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Additional of 1% sector culture and mix it well. Fill the cups with automatic filling machine. Preparation of ghee. Butter produced in the butter section is taken in butter melting wort. Butter is heated to 75 degrees Celsius and butter milk produced is frapped. Later, the melted butter is heated to ghee boiler. In this, the melted butter is heated to 115 degrees Celsius to 118 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. After attaining the above temperature, it is allowed to settle for 1 hour in the boiler. Later, ghee is sent to settling tank after filtration to settle for about 1 hour. Now the ghee is sent for clarification at 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. At last, the clarified ghee is stored in storage tank. Ghee is unpacked at 45 degrees Celsius, then stored in cold rooms. Milk is considered as the most nutritious form of food for all the mammals. In India, the dairy sector contributes 15% of gross national income. Milk is a unique substance in that it is both consumed as fluid milk with minimal processing and its raw material used to manufacture a wide variety of products. A typical Indian survey shows that the milk market is largely confined to urban areas. Thus, there is a bright scope in rural areas in India.